Guys, wild guess or wild opinion, but why do I have a feeling that this is Luffy's mother? I don't know why, but it feels to me that this is Luffy's mother. Now, the context about this picture or this screenshot is this is where I think this is the I know this is the Egghead Island arc. This is where Vegapunk uh tells the story about after the Callbuster or after Urahara got killed or the Urahara Island. I forgot, but the archaeologist island or where the island Robin lives got Buster called and got destroyed. Uh, Dr. Vegapunk visits that island. And then, because he's a friend or he's a acquaintance, he's a friend of Orahara. So he visited the island and just checking what happened to the island. And then, after many like minutes or hours of walking all around the island, he saw like a very big space or like a lake full of a bunch of books. And that books are the old research of Orahara or the Orahara people or archaeologists on that time books about or research about they found something about the old kingdom or yeah the kingdom 900 years ago, the Black Void. I'm sorry if I'm the names of the things I'm saying is wrong, but yeah, he found out that the lake there's a lake that has all of the books in it, and that most of the books got saved from the fire or from the Buster Call. So yeah, Dr. Vegapunk saw that, and then after he saw the books, he noticed that there are some giants collecting those books, and among those giants there are three, and among those three, this woman. So yeah, yeah, you kind of get why I'm feeling like this. So among those three is this woman, which I feel like this is Luffy's mother. I don't know, I have a feeling. And then after like Vegapunk, after sawing the giants, just hide and observe them, even though he has a very big head that can be easily seen very far away. After that, Dragon showed up because also Dragon is a friend or acquaintance of Orahara. Or yeah, Orahara. Yeah. So Dragon showed up and he first noticed or he first seen Dr. Vegapunk. He said that your head is big as usual. That's what he said. I think that the first thing that he said. And then he is also carrying flowers because he also want to visit the graveyard of Orahara or the gravestone of Orahara, and also checking on the island. And then uh Dragon said that he already checked in or already asked questions regarding about these three giants. He already asked who are they, and they are apparently a member of a giant pirate group. Am I saying it right? And the leader of that one was Saul. If you don't know, Saul was the giant who saved Nico Robin or was tasked by Nico Robin's mother to save her in order for her to proceed or to um in order for her or for them to preserve the knowledge, and also in order for Nico Robin to pass down the knowledge because she was also a kid in that time. So there's a big chance that she can fully develop and discover anything because she was much more younger. And yeah, we know that the child is the future of our community, something like that one. Yeah, something like that. But anyways, yeah, Saul was the leader of these giants that was collecting the book, which is very nice. Robin cried uh, 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 tears of joy, have a tears of joy after hearing that one when Vegapunk said that Saul was alive. But yeah, that's the context of this picture. And what do I feel like she is the a mother of Luffy? It's because she is a giant, and Joy Boy was a giant, right? Yeah, Joy Boy was a giant, and I think the reason why the Gomu Gomu no Mi chosen or got attracted by Luffy because he has a bloodline of a giant. And I think that's the reason why yeah, Luffy was like a reincarnation of Joy Boy because he has the a blood of a giant. And I'm guessing Luffy's mother is a giant. And I'm guessing she is the mother of Luffy because I don't know why for some reason Oda put her in that way or in that context. She was flashed on the screen I think 3 times or 4 times. Yeah. And for some reason Dragon just came in. I don't know, maybe it's just coincidence. Maybe I'm just overthinking it, but why do I have a strong gut feeling that she is Luffy's mother? I don't know why. Also, by the way, uh, Luffy's dream? I have a feeling Luffy's dream is just having a very big banquet or like a very big feast from all around the races. Yeah. I don't know. I'm throwing two theory. Is it called theory? I don't know why. I don't know if it's called theory because I don't have like any good evidence to back it up, but I have a two gut feeling. But this one is Luffy's mother, and the second is if Luffy's I dream of Luffy is having a very big feast or banquet with all of the different races, kinds or people all around the world. Except maybe the royalty, the people that live in Marijua. Marijua, yeah. But yeah, I don't know. Let me know your thoughts in the comment down below. I wanna read it. I hope this video reach out to like Luffy fans, One Piece fans, and I wanna hear some theories or some any ideas, or I just wanna hear it. Please, please. That's all. Thanks for watching. Bye. Please YouTube reach this. Please algorithm YouTube. Please. I'm so curious about this woman. I don't know why, but I have a feeling. Please let me know that there's also some other people thinks the same. Come on. That's all. Bye. Jane.